and thank you for taking the time to view this video tutorial of Britannica Launchpack. Created in 2016, this is a relatively new way of using your Britannica resource. It was created to save teachers planning time, give students choice and voice, and to make instruction more productive and engaging. Britannica offers 1,500 ready-to-use packs that match Virginia SOLs. They are organized by topic in 4 grade bands: pre-K through 2, 3 through 5, 6 through 8, and 9 through 12. We're going to focus today on the 6th through 8th grade band since we're a middle school, but if you should want to pull content from any of the other bands to better meet the needs of your students, that is easy to do. After creating your Britannica account, you will access Britannica from your school dashboard as usual. You do that, of course, by clicking the Britannica icon, and then you're going to click on Launch Packs from the Britannica Resources option at the top of your screen. Here you're going to see an option to search for whatever topic you're interested in exploring. I'm going to search for World War I today because that is a topic that our social studies teachers are currently teaching about. And from here, Britannica will direct you to many resources about World War I. These are subtopics that you can further explore. We've got everything from Wilson's 14 points to battles on the Eastern and Western fronts. We've got launch packs about World War I technology and the origins of the war and U.S. involvement. So choose whichever launch pack more specifically addresses your needs. I think World War I technology sounds interesting, so I'm going to click on that one. And it gives me several articles about technology in World War I. It also gives me images of technology used during World War I and even some videos of technology as used in World War I. So if you find that there are too many articles and resources here and think that it might be overwhelming for your students to look at all of these options, you can customize this launch pack by deleting some of those options. I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. Right now I want to show you the annotation tool. So if you go to an article in your launch pack and you want to annotate, you just toggle the switch from read to annotate, and you can highlight key words or key sections of the text that you would like your students to focus on. For example, let's see if we can find one here. If I want to annotate this word, I might want to say, what does this word mean? And it defines it right in the text. And just to make sure that students are understanding that the definition is here, they can comment and tell that this word means an armored war vehicle in German. Okay, so in order to customize your pack, by deleting some of these articles and images, you can just click on customize, and then it gives you an option to delete whatever resources you don't find will be useful for your students. So I'm going to show you how that looks. We're going to delete this one about phosphorus bombs. We will delete an article about Madame Curie. Sorry, Madame. And we're going to delete an article about bombs. You can delete as many resources as you like until you get it down to a level more manageable for your students. You can also, again, leave any kind of notes for your students here that you'd like to. And you can create an activity to go along with your pack. Some of the activities that Britannica builds in are main idea activities, making predictions, identifying and defining key concepts, comparing and contrasting ideas, and understanding perspectives. So you can use any of these pre-made sets. I like the main idea set myself because it's a good way to get students to practice their reading skills in different content areas. So this set of questions includes things like, what is the main idea of this article? Which keywords or phrases help you to understand the main idea? Summarize the main idea in your own words. What did you learn that surprised you? And what connections can you make between this topic and your own life? Whichever of these questions you like, you can add to your pack, or you can add the entire activity. I'm going to add these 5 questions, and then I'm going to create a unique title because this title was given, but they make you customize it in some way. I'm going to just put 1A here, so I will know which class I want to assign this to. And then I'm going to save and review this pack. When students access their Launchpack after you assign it, they will see the variety of resources that you've chosen. And again, those can include images, videos, primary sources, which of course are near and dear to the hearts of history teachers. They can also change the reading level of the article. As you can see, there are 3 reading level options up here. Some of them only have 2 options for reading levels, but they can change those, or the teacher can change those reading levels to differentiate for students. Another great differentiation tool is this plus icon here, which changes or increases the size of the font for students that maybe forgot their glasses that day, or maybe they have a vision impairment. We can print the articles for students that need to take them home and don't have access to a computer. We can even translate the articles into a different language, any one of these number of languages. Especially helpful for our English language learners. And at the middle school level, we're always trying to encourage students to cite their sources correctly. And Britannica makes that easy with this option of citing sources using MLA, APA, or a couple of other styles that students can choose from. And then they can just copy and paste the citation into whatever document they are working with. So that's helpful too. Although we focused on social studies in this tutorial, there are a lot of Launchpack resources available for science and other curricular subjects as well. I hope I've shown you how Britannica Launchpacks can help you meet the academic needs of your students and give students a choice of curated resources for projects or exploration. They make it easy to differentiate instruction and are easily accessible from your student's school dashboard. If you'd like some help in setting up your personal Britannica account or in creating a Launchpack to use with your students, feel free to send me an email or come see me in the library, and we'll schedule a time to do this together. Thanks for listening, and have a wonderful day.